Hello dear student. In 10th geometry chapter number 1 is started by our madam. She is doing lots of hard work and sending regularly sums, theorem and all. Thank you madam, thank you very much. Chapter number 2 I have started and almost all the theorems video I have sent. So student, please repeat and try to understand the theorems and formula. Now problem set 2.1, Pythagoras. To identify Pythagoras triplet, it is a right angle triangle or not, that you have to identify. For example, first sum is given 3, 5, 4. I will explain two methods. First method, take the square of highest number. Parallel, I will explain second method. Maximum number, find out minimum number. Now, sum of square of rest of 2. You can see these and these are equal. So you can see 5 square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. Therefore 3, 4, 5 is right angle triangle. I have taken lowest square. I have taken highest square. Highest square, so sum. Lowest square, so the difference. If you are taking highest, then add. If you are taking less, do the difference. Find out the difference. So 3 square is equal to 5 square minus 4 square. Now this will transfer. 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. Therefore, triangle is right angle. Same. 4, 9, 12 it is given. 4, 9, 12. So I will take highest, 12 square, 144. Lowest square, sum of the square. Therefore 144 is not equal to 97. Therefore 12 square is not equal to 4 square plus 9 square. Therefore triangle is not right angle triangle. Here I have taken lowest square, so I will take the difference. 12 square minus 9 square, 144 minus 81. Correct? So 16 is not equal to 63. Therefore 4 square is not equal to 12 square minus 9 square. Therefore triangle is not right angle triangle. Next sum. Triangle is given. MNP, N is 90, again perpendicular is given. Q, MQ is given 9, QP is given 4, NQ we have to find out. In right angle triangle MNP, MQ is perpendicular to MP. Therefore by geometric mean formula, NQ square is equal to MQ into QP. So x square is equal to 9 into 4. Don't make the product. X square is equal to 3 square into 2 square. Square means taking square root of both the side. Second, it is third problem. PM is given 8, PM is given 10, QM is 8. Find QR. First we will find this. In triangle PQR, angle P, measuring angle P is equal to 90 degree. PM perpendicular to QR it is given. Therefore, again geometric mean, PM square is equal to QM into MR. So 10 square is equal to 8 into Y. So 100 is equal to 8 into Y. So what is Y? It is 100 divided by 8. Divide by 4. So 25. This is 2. So this is 12.5. Now we have to find out this, so that QR is equal to QY plus YR is equal to 8 plus 12 plus 0.5 is equal to 20.5. Now in right angle triangle this PQR, PQ square plus QR square, PQ square PR square is equal to QR square by Pythagoras theorem. So PQ square only we want this. They have not asked this, so don't do this much only. Now in next sum, SRP, this is 6, this is 30, this is 90, this is 60. We have learned that side opposite to 30 degree is half of the hypotenuse. Side opposite to 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 of hypotenuse in any right angle triangle of 30, 60, 90. Therefore, opposite to 30, that is SR, is equal to half of hypotenuse opposite 30 degree. Itself it is 6, half of PR, RP, cross multiply 12 is equal to RP. So this is 12. By Pythagoras you can also find, or by opposite to 60. Opposite to 60 is SP is equal to root 3 by 2 of hypotenuse. SP root 3 by 2, hypotenuse we got 12, this is 6, so 6 root 3. Centimeter is not given, that is why you have to write like that. And same we have learned 45, 45, 90. These two are equal. In right angle triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC and AC is equal to root 2. In right angle triangle AB is equal to BC. Therefore angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 45. Isosceles triangle. We have learned that opposite of 45 degree side opposite to 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2 time of hypotenuse. So here AB and BC are 1 by root 2 time of hypotenuse, that is AC, and AC it is given root 4 is equal to 2. Again units not given. Like that. In sixth sum, find the side of the parameter of a square whose diagonal is 10. Quadrilateral ABCD is square. For square formula, side is equal to 1 by root 2 time of the diagonal, or diagonal is equal to side into root 2. Parameter is equal to 4 into side. Area is equal to side square. Suppose you want to find out side. AB is equal to BC is equal to CA is equal to DA is equal to hypotenuse divided by root 2. So that is 10 divided by root 2. Parameter you have to find. So 4 into side is equal to 4 into 10 by root 2. So 40 by root 2. Area you have to find. So side square means side into side is equal to 10 by root 2 into 10 by root 2 means 100 divided by 4, 100 divided by 2 is equal to 50 centimeter square. It is given centimeter. This also you can rationalize by multiplying dividing by 2. This also you can rationalize by multiplying divided by 2. For example, multiply and divide by root 2. So this is 40 root 2. This is root 2 is 2. This you can cancel, so it will be 20 root 2, like that. One more diagram is given. D F E G. GD is equal to 8. GF is equal to 12. We have to find out EG. We have to find out FD. We have to find out EF. So first we will find out this. This is 90, this is 90. In right angle triangle DEF, FG perpendicular to DE given. Again by geometric mean, FG square is equal to DG into GE. This square is equal to this into this. So 12 square is equal to 8 into X. 12 into 12 divided by 8 is equal to X. 4 2s are 4 3s are 2 6 are 12. So X is equal to 18. In right angle triangle, this both. In right angle triangle DGF and triangle right angle triangle FGE. In this triangle opposite to 90, that is hypotenuse longest side, FD square is equal to DG square plus GF square by Pythagoras. Now FG square plus G square is equal to FE square. Now here FD square is equal to 8 square plus 12 square. Here FE square is equal to 12 square plus 18 square. So FD square is equal to 64 plus 144. 4, 4, 8. This is 0, 10, so 0. So this. So FD is equal to under root 208. 144 plus, so that is 18 forza, 18 8 that is 91 forza, 81 forza, sorry. Four, 4, 8, 6, 4. FE square. FE is equal to root 468. Now one more sum. Rectangle is given. ABCD is rectangle. We have to find the diagonal when the length is 35 centimeter, breadth is 12 centimeter. In rectangle ABCD, measure angle B is equal to 90 degree. Correct, because it is a rectangle. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to BC square is equal to AC square. So 35 square plus 12 square is equal to AC square. When there is a unit 5, so 5 5s are 25. What is the remaining number? 3. What is the next number? 3 4 is 12. Like that. 5 5s are 25. Whatever they remain into next, multiply by next. That is the, when you will mix that to answer, you will get a square. 12 12s are 144 is equal to AC square. This plus this 9, this plus this 6, this plus this is this. Correct. So AC is equal to, see, 35 square is this and this is 9. 9 means it can be, last number can be 3 or 7. So 33 is not possible because this number is greater than this. So from that I can make out, so that is 37 centimeter. So the hypotenuse diagonal of the rectangle is 37. Okay student, this you have to copy in your notebook, and related to that you have to solve rest of the problem from 2.1 maximum. I have tried to cover. Do lots of drill work. If you are not following anything, you just WhatsApp me. You can ask your doubt, but do every day 2 hours maths. Okay, all the best. Thank you.